Hey everybody, this is Ian, and in today's video we are going to install the Q&A framework that we're going to be using for the 7-day mini course. So if you're watching this on YouTube, you can sign up for the course in the description links below. If you're watching this within the course, obviously you know why you're here. All right, so let's go inside of our fresh new installation. We're going to go to themes. We're going to add new. We're going to upload a theme. We're going to choose a theme. And here we are. I'm going to install it. Let's activate. We're going to import the demo data. Let's run the importer. Choose file. We're going to pick the XML file that comes with the theme. And we're going to wait. All right, so our theme has been installed. Now we have the complete Q&A framework and the demo data installed. All right, so here's some of this looks like it's duplicated. We have a couple of different links here, as you can see, that are duplicated. That's easy to fix. We'll cover that in the next video. Let's look at the theme settings, which are here, and we'll begin to customize this in video number 2. All right, if you have any questions, feel free to ask. And again, those of you who are watching this on YouTube, this is a brand new course. We're going to be launching a Q&A Quora style authority site in 7 days or less for under $100. I'm going to show you exactly step by step everything you need to do to really build a viable, valuable, and enduring online asset using this very basic framework. All right, hope that helps. Any questions, as always, feel free to ask. Thanks.